Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about how to avoid a sleazy window salesman. Let's get into it. I've made videos in the past about, how to avoid the windows. I think people understand when they're under pressure. If a person is coming into your home and they're really trying to force the issue home and they want a signature right away, that's indicative of the sleazy salesman. I know that they have a job. I know that there's a need for salespeople out there to introduce a product to a customer who's already asked for the service in their home. I get that, but there's a right way and a wrong way, in my eyes, to approach a customer who is looking to get quotes. And I've always been one who says to get multiple quotes. Even if I am the first person in the door, I still say, don't just take this at face value and go, hey, this is what it is, because I want to prove to you that my number is a good number. It's a fair number. After they've gotten their quotes and realize, okay, this one's high, this one's medium, this one's low, like, okay, I remember this guy, yeah, his price is a little bit higher, but he was cool about things. He wasn't pushing the issue, like, come on, let's sell, let's sell. After the customer has had 2 to 3 quotes, you're looking at different window manufacturers, looking at different installers. At the end of the day, you're looking at how much is this job going to cost me and what am I getting for it? The value, right? I'm all about making sure that the customer is fully aware of everything that they're getting before they make a decision to spend thousands of dollars. Always said that, and I want to continue that. So when I'm saying how to avoid a sleazy salesman, I think most people already get it. I think they already know what they need to watch out for. But this video is to really just kind of send it home, like, always get multiple quotes. Whenever they're asking like, hey, well, can we make a decision? Well, that's really on you, whether you make a decision then or not. But I always say, wait. And if the guy tells you, well, this price is good for today only, they're out of their minds, you do not sign with them. Because why is the price not gonna be good for the weekend? You want the weekend to think about it. Is that fair? I think it's fair. I say, even if it's a week, it doesn't matter. Why should the price go back up to whatever it was, a couple $1,000s more? How? That's sleazy to me, okay? And that's why I make these videos, how to avoid or what to watch out for, things like that, because I just don't feel it's fair. I run a business, it's a healthy business, but I also wanna make sure that my customers that we do sign and do business for are always happy. We have a great track record. I wanna continue with that. So my job is to educate people who are watching these videos what to watch out for. Do your homework, get multiple quotes, find out what window you actually like, find out what the warranties are like. You should not have to sign Johnny on the spot, okay? You should be able to get a fair price. Keep this in mind, and I've told customers this, good is not cheap, and cheap is not good. If they give you a very, very low ball number, I can pretty much guarantee you you're not gonna get the window you like or the installation you like. Just keep that in mind, okay guys? Hopefully this helps. Any questions, comment section. I'll reach out as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.